You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, the name of this delicious dish. It's also the name of a cheese. If you want to learn more French cuisine vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos, more cheese as well. Aligot is the French pronunciation, how we say it in French, aligot. Now in Occitan, which is kind of the old language from the south of France, I guess the T would be pronounced aligot, but in modern French it's not, alright? So aligot, you can say it in English. Aligot is the French pronunciation, aligot. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.